Hi, my name is Scott Newman from US Marker Board, and I'm coming to you with the question of the week from Pam from Denver, Colorado. And as we go into the summer season, her question is, how do I put motorized shades in my office space without having to go through the effort of hardwiring everything? Well, it's a great question. So I'm going to break this up in a couple of videos over the next couple of weeks. And the first one is to introduce you to the motorized shade that has a battery-operated system inside of it from Rollease. And this is a rechargeable shade, rechargeable battery with a little whip on the side of it. You get 100 hours in the battery. So you think about how quickly a shade goes up and down and you stretch that out. It's usually months and months before you have to recharge it. And the cool part about it is that you have two options to recharge this. One is with this little plug that goes to a battery charger that you plug into any standard wall outlet. You let it charge and it charges it back up and you're all set to go for quite a number of months. Or, the most unique thing to come out of the window shade industry recently is a solar pack. And what this does is it plugs in behind the shade up against the window and it does a trickle charge to the motor constantly, so you never have to worry about charging it up again. So the cool part about it is that it's a regular installation like you install any other standard shade without having to hardwire it. You just plug it into the solar pack. You've got your remote control unit here, and it comes with a remote control with multiple channels that you can adjust and program it to go up and down whichever way you want. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to bring to you a bunch of different videos about the installation of the shade, how to pick fabrics for the shade, what the solar pack looks like, what the rechargeable unit looks like. But I really wanted to introduce this to you because the question of the week was spot on. How do I install a window shade without having to hardwire it? Well, here you go. You've got this beautiful battery-operated remote control shade that's easy to install. And I want to thank Pam for bringing the question to me. My name is Scott Newman for US Marker Board, and look forward to the next couple of videos that are going to be coming to you all about these rechargeable shades. Thanks very much.